Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is zealous. Dear friends, Erene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is zealous. In English, zealous means zeal or ardor, a burning passion for something. But it can also mean jealousy or envy. In Philippians chapter 3, verse 6, Paul recalls his life before Christ as to zeal, a persecutor of the church. His zeal was real, but it was misdirected, driven by pride and misplaced conviction. Yet, when Paul encountered the risen Christ, his zeal was transformed into a passion for proclaiming the gospel, even to the point of giving his life. From zealous, we get our English words zeal, zealous, or the group zealots. So we have the zealot, one who is zealous, and even jealous. So both, it could be zealous or jealous. And each reflects passion, whether directed positively as commitment or negatively as envy. Yung selos, di ba? Ginagamit natin yung salitang yan. Nagsiselos siya. So yung umabot sa atin yung negative na meaning. For us Christians, this word carries deep meaning in our life of faith. It challenges us to ask, what fuels our passion? Is it selfish ambition, envy, or rivalry? Or is it genuine love for God and for others? Zeal is not simply about being busy. It is about being consumed by love. A love that acts, a love that perseveres, a love that serves. And the challenge is this: how do we live this word today in our discipleship? Do we burn with zeal for prayer, for justice, for service to the poor, for sharing the faith with courage? Masigasig ba tayo para doon? Yun yung ibig sabihin, yung positive way of looking at zealous. Or do we let our energy be consumed by lesser pursuits? Dear friends, true zeal is love in flames, not envy in disguise. May our passion be like Paul's, purified, redirected, and wholly offered to Christ. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.